Hey everybody, welcome back to Kumasao Reviews. We're taking a look at Iron Factory. I'm pretty late to the punch on this one. I've had it for a while, but just now took it out of the box. So Iron Factory's IFEX-49 Last Prophet. This is their homage to Alphatron, the first Transformer. If you've watched the G1 show, you kind of know of them, know a story and stuff like that. Pretty cool. So before Optimus, before Alita, there was Orion Pax. So again, Last Prophet. This is a retool of, I consider this a retool. The retool of their Scourge, whose name I don't remember right now. You know, the Iron Factory name, but yeah. Anyway, it comes with, almost got my camera remote in there. It doesn't come with that. Variety of hands, his staff, as well as a stand adapter. Because, again, he is a retool of Scourge. He has the exact same alt mode and things like that. So, quick look around. Roundabout. The colors on this are fantastic. That's one thing I will give to this. Well, it's a solid figure in general, but it stands out. Their color selection here. So let's look at the height. Alright, so he is, as I'm knocking him down, he is right above 4 inches, like 4 1/8 I'm seeing or so. And that's just because of these two horn-like things right there. True to form. A quick look at the articulation. Because he does have like different shoulder pads, he has the collar and things like that. That Scourge doesn't have. So his beard actually keeps him from doing the 360. But the head is on the ball joint. It's got up and down, side swivel, but between the beard there and the collar, keeps him from doing everything that Scourge itself can do. All right. So the shoulder pads do have some movement here. Okay. As well as these flaps on them. All right. Make sure we're still focused there. Okay. Parallel. Now the shoulder pads do rotate with the arm. The wings do look to block because I'm not able to get them. Well, I could set them back. Let's see if that helps. Yeah, there we go with the 360. So you can take this. It's a double hinge, so just get them all the way back there. All right. So yeah, works for both sides, of course. All right. So now that we're there, bicep swivel. Full 360. Single jointed elbow, but goes past that 90 degrees. Wrist. Straight up swivel. And it does have some rock. It's on a ball joint, but there's it actually has a wrist that sticks out. Okay. The waist. He actually doesn't have back bend, but he does have ab crunch there, which is cool. 360 swivel. All right. Let's look at these thigh pads. These side thigh pads, or hip skirts, they do go up some. Let's see with these front ones. These front ones really don't. The back, whole thing, that flap does move. So outwards, forward, limited. Backwards, okay. I do wish that these move, though. It seems like they should, but I'm not getting movement there. Maybe because it's blocked by that abdominal piece. All right. Thigh swivel. Knee bend. Just past 90 degrees. Ankle tilt. Then back and forth rock. No movement in the feet there. Okay. Now the wings. You do get some 360. You can bring them out. Bring them in, like that kind of stuff. As well as the front part of the wing. So boom, boom. Okay. All right, so there's that. Now, to swap out the hands, we'll do a weapon hand here. Okay. And this figure is fresh out of the box, so if there are things I'm missing, I apologize, but I think I've got a pretty good handle on it. Alright. So I will clasp it here at the top where it looks like there's a flat part. And let's see if he can actually dual... Is it called dual wielding? Holding it with both hands? Let's see. Because that would be cool. Alright. Yeah! Dude, that's awesome. Okay. Okay. I wish he had some more room for ankle tilt there. But it's fine. Alright, we're going to bring the camera down. Tilt it some. And we're going to zoom in. Alright, actually rotate this guy. And there we go. Let me know what you guys think of this pose in the comments. Or don't, but I like it. And before we get this guy transformed and go over its alt mode, picture here next to... God, I wish I remembered their names, but they're Power Master Optimus Prime as well as their Elita 1. Okay. And again, he's just over 4 inches tall. And then we're looking at about 3¼ for Elita. And Optimus around here, he's about 5 from my perspective. Okay, and here it is in its alt mode. Again, the exact same kind of jet as Scourge, or ship, whatever you want to call it. And I actually display Scourge in alt mode, so he already had the stand and stuff right there. So we'll go ahead and use that. Exact same adapter and everything, so. Alright, let's probably aim the camera at it. It's the crazy part about a white background. The stand at times looks like it's floating when they're clear. Alright, there's that. Alright, sorry, I'm just adjusting. I looked a bit dark, so... Move it over some for you. In fact, get it centered. There we go. So you guys can see the top of it. Overall, pretty neat stuff. I think it's a creative use of the Scourge mode, and it makes a pretty darn good Alpha Trion. Alpha Trion, canon-wise, I don't think he was ever a transformer, at least not on like the G1 cartoon and stuff like that. So it's neat, some of these molds that they choose for him. This worked out very well, so kudos to Iron Factory for a smart retool, a really good choice of color, and yeah, I mean the Scourge mold was already awesome with all kinds of articulation and stuff like that, and this actually just really shows off how good and versatile of a mold that is. But again, this is Iron Factory's IF EX-49P Last Prophet. Check out the full written review and article on kumastyle.com and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.